Hi, I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about Taylor Gravity. Taylor Gravity is an anti-skid coating. This product can be applied to concrete substrates, gypcrete substrates, and even plywood substrates. It can be utilized with LVT and LVP, products that are designed for free fit or loose lay. Carpet tile, as long as they're hard back and they lay flat. It can also work with SPC and WPC products. The big advantage with this product is it's not an adhesive. It is just a non-skid coating. So what it does for you is it allows you to install your floor without permanently attaching it to the substrate. So later on, if you want to take up the floor and change it, if you wanted to take up a floor and change direction, anything like that can be done very easily with Taylor Gravity. Now you'll see we can slide this around very readily. Once we put it on top of the Gravity, there's no movement. But I can take it right up, no transfer, no bond to the substrate. Same thing with an LVT product. It's going to move around. Once it is on here, there is no movement. This is really an amazing product. Very simple to apply. We apply it with a roller. And this is going to just be a 3/8 inch nap roller. With Taylor Gravity, you can get moisture protection up to 85% relative humidity as a single coat, 90% as a two coat. You want to apply the opposite direction when you're doing a two coats and make certain you're actually getting 100% coverage. And remember, at Taylor, we're with you every step.